We have all heard about the state of our oceans, and sometimes it can seem very far away. In reality, we have the third largest barrier reef right here in the continental US. You can drive right to it because it's right off the tip of Florida. Last year I put out a coloring book for just entertainment, and it sold over 10,000 in the Keys alone. I wanted to create a more educational book, so I've teamed up with marine biologist and expert surfer Melissa Gill to give our neighborhood kids the info to learn more about America's reef. In this book, the kids will learn all kinds of facts about the fish and coral. We've combined these facts with coloring pages to let them slow down and really allow the info to sink in. Our kids want to help with saving the coral reefs, but where do they even start? The first step to preserving something that you love is to learn more about it. And I can't do this alone. It's your voices that will be heard the most. You can make the most impact in a couple of ways. First, just by liking this video and sharing it with your circle of friends on social media. Next, by just reaching out to your local school and sharing this video and info with them. Let them know that this is important to you and it's something that you want your neighborhood kids to have. Help me get this book and information into the hands of the kids in all of our neighborhoods.